Today is the opening day for the Danse Macabre at Efteling. Let's go. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Efteling for the opening of the Danse Macabre. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We've been waiting for this attraction for a while, guys. Our first ever visit to Efteling was actually the week that Spookslot closed. So ever since then, we've been following the project closely, and you know, we're here today. Really exciting. The attraction opens at 10 o'clock, I believe. Apparently the gates at the park open at 9. We're here at 8:10, and this is what we've currently got. Let's go. Oh, we do love some good opening day fun, guys. We had two extremes last time. We had Voltron, which was absolute carnage. Everyone was falling over each other. And then we had Hyperia, which was really sensible, wasn't it? So it's going to be interesting to see what Efteling does today.
It doesn't look that bad, to be honest.
It doesn't look that bad, but if you remember, Voltron looked like this at the start. How are you feeling, Jacob? It looks like it's going to be a bad one. You're nervous? I don't think it'll be as bad as Voltron. Hope not. Hey, here we go! Here we go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hoeveel mensen gaan het weg? Oh my god! Oh, here we go. Hopefully they can't do. Everyone's just legging it over there. So we got a lock on the back there, guys. I'm not sure why they're making us walk all the way around to enter it. That's just cruel. Tell you what, this is definitely the longest opening day walk we've ever done, isn't it? I don't know why they've made us go all the way around.
Nemesis Reborn took ages.
Yeah, Nemesis Reborn was a while.
En anders hebben we ook nog parasolgoed geregeld.
Fijn dat iedereen er is. U bent er al.
Iedereen sterrenballingen wees welkom.
Ik hoop dat we allemaal.
Coming into it now.
So, to be honest, guys, that wasn't actually too much carnage, was it?
That was a good opening day.
It was very good. It was a lot more controlled than Voltron was. They've opened the attraction before 10 o'clock as well, so there was no second holding area. And I think it's just great, isn't it?
That's how they should do it.
You excited?
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. The world's first intimate dynamic motion stage.
Eerst van de eigenzinnige dirigent Joseph Charlatan.
absolutely incredible. What did you think?
Oh wow.
Oh my god, guys, it is beautiful. There's not one bit of motion sickness, which was my only concern. We are definitely going to see this ride system pop up all over the world after this. It's incredible, isn't it? And Efteling theming, guys, it is so beautifully done. It's brilliant. I want to try and go on single rider, see if we can get back on. It says 90 minutes, but we saw there was only a few people. Okay, apparently we can use single rider, but we have to queue in this first. To be fair, we only waited 25 minutes, didn't we? So it really wasn't that bad.
That's why it's 90 then.
We got quite lucky when we got here in the morning, guys, but obviously it's a little bit later now. Everyone's coming to the park. Let's just have a look how far this queue goes back. just out of curiosity. Oh guys, I can't believe it. It is absolutely amazing. We knew it was going to be good. I didn't think it was going to be that good. Very cinematic. It's absolutely beautiful, guys.
I want one in the UK.
You want one in the UK? Cool. Still going. Still going. Oh my god. Oh, it's still going. Wait, no way. Is it still going? Is it really? It's still going. Wow. Oh my god. It's still going. It's still going. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, this might be quite a long video. We're still going. We're still going. Okay, and we're still going, guys. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, we really did get here at the right time. I might be tired, but it was definitely worth waking up. I can't believe, there's no way it's going past Symbolica. Wow. Oh my gosh, it is still going. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe this. It is still going. We're over here by Symbolica now. This is nuts. I think we might only get on it once today by the looks of it, unfortunately. We definitely made the right decision getting here early, didn't we? Wow. There's no way it's going all the way back. It could possibly go out the entrance here, guys. Out of all of the opening days we've done, this is the longest queue that I have ever seen.
Worse than Hyperia.
It is the second most visited theme park in Europe though, isn't it? So it's not surprising.
It's got a 300-minute queue on Hyperia.
300-minute queue on Hyperia.
6 hours.
Absolute madness, I can't believe it. I think we're nearly there, guys. We've got to be nearly there. This is madness. I thought that was the end of the queue there, guys, but it's just the train tracks there. So I don't think we're going to get to the end of it, guys. I think we might have to actually exit the park. Guys, we found it. We found the end of the queue. They haven't got a time on it anymore, unfortunately. Wow, so there he is, guys. That is the end of the queue there, and just over there is the actual entrance to the park. We've never done this observation tower before, have we, guys? We've got an aerial view of the Danse Macabre queue there, guys. There's some in-queue entertainment there. Oh, it's annoying, guys. I really want to get back on it, but this queue is just monstrous. So we took a little break there, guys, got some food. It's now 12:51. Nothing's changed. It's actually rumoured that the queue got to 480 minutes, which gives Hagrid's at Universal a run for its money in Orlando.
It's almost as much as that.
Almost as much. Crazy. I don't know if we're going to get back on it. We're at 1:58 now, guys. We just had a ride on Symbolica. Symbolica's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
It does look like the queue is starting to go down. It's still absolutely huge, but if it carries on continuing in this direction, we might get another go. Got a time on it now, guys. It's a 100. Oh, it's just changed. It was 135. It's now 130. Considering it was going all the way back here, all along there, near enough to the entrance earlier, we might be in luck. So we've done a few rides, guys. I don't know when they're going to close the queue, and I really don't want to risk it, so we're going to have to brave it, guys. Wish us luck. Hopefully it's died down a little bit. Oh, looking at this now, guys, this is absolutely mental. It's still going still going past Symbolica there. Hopefully it's not too bad round the corner. Okay, so 105 apparently, guys. Still next to Symbolica. It's the shortest we've seen it all day though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wish us luck. Okay, we're half an hour in, guys. Dying, aren't we? Got some little friends here though. Just run over to Dutch TV and be like, yeah, right comparison, subscribe on YouTube. Forgot to mention, guys, they changed the bin. 1 hour in and we've now got to the normal entrance. There's people over there doing some TikTok dancing. It moves, everyone's loving the cat. It's in the merch shop, guys. You see everyone's bought them, haven't they? I think Jacob might want one.
Oh, that's cute.
Just looking at it, guys, though, it is so beautifully themed. It really must have took a lot of work to build something that looks like it's been here for like years. So that's an hour and 40 minutes overall, I reckon. Not too bad. See you guys in a moment. Guys, it is absolutely insane. What do you think?
Oh my god.
You thought it was better that time, didn't you?
Yeah.
So obviously you got 5 different sets of stalls, guys. We got row, well not row, we got stalls number 1 that time, and it was great, wasn't it?
I absolutely love that attraction.
We were at the top when it tilted. The drop was a lot better on it that time. Guys, this attraction is amazing. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I'm just blown away by it. I'm really blown away by it. I want to go on it again.
I do.
Just checking out the merch, guys. What we got here? What is it?
Is it slippers?
Little slippers? I don't know what it is. You got the headbands there, you got the cat or the sort of gargoyle devil thing there. I'm not very good at merch videos, that's why we don't do them.
Yeah.
I do think the jumper looks really cool though, guys. I want to see the price of it.
I like the t-shirt with the violin.
You like the t-shirt with the violin? I like the jumper. Let's have a look at the price quick. Very busy in here, guys. Well, we got 25 euros there for the t-shirt.
Busy shop.
Is it so? 50 euros for the jumper there. It does look really cool though. Bought a jumper there, guys. I had to. It was 50 euros, a little bit steep, but it's not as bad as England's, and it looks really cool. Jacob, you wanted
that
a
second time was incredible.
You really liked it there, didn't you? He wanted a t-shirt with the violin on, but unfortunately they haven't got his size, so they've sold out. This is the problem with opening days. It's I don't know. It's words you just can't. There's nothing else like it, and as I say, these are going to pop up everywhere.
Music adds a lot to an attraction.
It really does. So we waited about an hour and 40 minutes from this point by Symbolica, guys, and it is just grown again. We did time it well. It's grown again though. No, I don't know if we're going to get back on. I know, I want to go on it as well. But it's like, I don't know if I can do it again. We're going to have to bite the bullet. It's 2 hours till park close. I don't know when they're going to close the queue. Advertised at the moment as, let's have a look, 135. It was pretty accurate last time, wasn't it? Okay, we're 1 hour into the queue, guys. We haven't even got into the area yet, have we?
No.
We got a little look there. It looks awesome at night, doesn't it? We'll be able to see that all in a moment.
Lightning.
It's exciting times when Efteling gets a new bin. Oh, beer here. It's definitely worth getting in the queue again for night time, wasn't it? Wow.
I wanted to see it at night.
Small attention to detail, I love it.
Yeah.
Gotta love the cat there. Oh, it's purring.
Oh.
Just the monks singing on this bit. Brilliant. Round 3, are you ready?
Yeah.
Exciting, guys. We'll see you in just a moment for pretty much a full review now. Okay, guys, so ride 3 there. That brings us to the end. We were in stall number 6 that time. Absolutely incredible. What did you reckon, Jacob, at that time?
Amazing.
So we've done 4, 1 and 6 today. We've had 3 rides. Stall number 1 was my personal favourite. You were on that one as well, weren't you? The second time.
It was brilliant.
Second time was better than the first time we did it, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
I've seen different stuff every time.
Different stuff every time. Guys, it has so much replayability. Where you sit really does impact it, surprisingly. I didn't think it would, because obviously it is just a circle. Every time you ride it, you see something different. It is absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is a brilliant attraction. As I say, guys, we are going to see these pop up absolutely everywhere. I might even argue to say that's my new favourite attraction at Efteling. It is
Definitely.
just beautiful. There is nothing else out there like it.
It's one of my favourite dark rides.
They need to bring
Might
it to
even be my
England as
favourite.
well.
No, I think Merlin will probably buy one at some point. When the reviews come out for this, you know, Intamin are just going to be laughing because they're going to get some money. But it is beautiful, guys. You need to get here. It's such a good attraction,
I love the
isn't
innovation
it?
from
The
Intamin.
theming's
madness.
great there as
Absolute
well.
madness.
Oh,
Oh,
the
that's another thing.
theming
The lighting at night was great as well. It's
Yeah.
brilliant to do in the dark. And that brings us to the end of the vlog, guys. If you have enjoyed it, I might have waffled on a bit, but if you have enjoyed it, don't forget, hitting that subscribe button really helps us out. Make sure you get here, guys. It is awesome.
It's awesome.
But one thing that has annoyed me, I've just spent 2 days at Efteling and I haven't seen Aquanaria. Hopefully they're doing some refurbishment, so it'll be better next time we come. Sorry guys, I've already ended the vlog there, but I just want to express how much I love this attraction. It is beautiful, isn't it? Absolute masterpiece. Efteling have absolutely outdone themselves. Obviously, we're not Dutch guys, so we don't really know too much about the storyline. I know the Danse Macabre song is an old classical piece, and it was something like the music that raises the dead or something. Obviously, another reason why they've opened it on Halloween. So we don't know too much about that, unfortunately, do we?
That's our best guess, though.
That's our best guess. We did do the previous Spook Slot attraction. That was obviously the spooky, all the instruments come to life as well. We absolutely loved that, didn't we? It was a real shame. Ideally, they could have kept the old Spook Slot as a pre-show for it, which would have been insane. It's absolutely brilliant, guys. You really need to come here and get on it. We really like the cat as well. We were trying to figure out what the whole thing with the cat was. It looks like the cat is the logo, and when the ride sort of starts, it gets struck by lightning and gets cursed and turns evil by the looks of it. So a little bit like Curse of Autumn Manor. Anyway, guys, okay, I am ending the vlog now. Make sure you get here. It is amazing. See you next time. We've just been chatting and so mesmerised by the Danse Macabre guys. We've lost where we parked. We parked in the complete wrong. We've walked to the complete wrong area. I don't know. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.